In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to advance your quilt in the 5-foot frame after you have finished one pass of quilting. So we've already done one row of quilting, and now it's time for us to give ourselves more fabric to quilt. So I've already taken my clamps off. So now what I'm going to do is pull my fabric up past where my quilting is. Go ahead and put it right here and get one clamp started on here. Lock my two little side pieces so that my bar doesn't want to pop out. Go ahead and put a clip right here on the side. I've got all this excess quilt right here. I'm going to take, since we're at the beginning of it, my little clamps. You'll want to save the bigger clamps for later when your roll gets thicker. So what I'm going to do is just kind of assist my clamps that are already doing their job. Now I'm going to take my bigger clamp, smooth out my front. And I'm going to put my last clamp in right here. And after I've smoothed my quilt out just a little bit more, I'm ready now to do my next pass of quilting on my frame.